As we all know, WhatsApp is by far the most famous mobile messaging platform. But do you know there are some features of which are still unknown to many WhatsApp users? But by knowing these tricks, your Messenger app can be made more amazing and easier. Hello friends, it's Mohit here. In this video, I am putting light on the latest 5 best WhatsApp tricks of 2020 that every WhatsApp users must know. Watch the full video and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates. 1. Send one message to all contacts at once. If you have to send a message to all your WhatsApp contact, you will send that message one by one. But if you follow this tip, you can send the single message to all the contact together. That will save you a lot of time. Here is the best WhatsApp tricks. Follow these steps. Step 1. Open your WhatsApp. Step 2. On the top right corner, there are 3 vertical buttons near the search option. Tap it. Step 3. Click on New Broadcast. Step 4. Select the contact and click the tick mark. Now if you send any message on this broadcast, then it will be sent to every number you choose. 2. Make GIFs from WhatsApp and send directly to your contacts. Do you know you can make GIF messages directly from your WhatsApp and send it to your friends? You don't need to depend on other applications to make GIFs. Make a funny GIF of your friend and share it with others. Just follow these steps. Step 1. Open your WhatsApp. Step 2. Select the chat box of your friend you want to send. Step 3. Then open the camera button near the record button. Step 4. Open it and hold the record button for a couple of seconds. Step 5. After completion of the record, you will see 2 options. One is video icon and other is GIF. Step 6. Select the GIF and edit as per your need from the edit option, which is present at the top right corner of your screen. Step 7. Then tap the send button. 3. Disable the double blue tick seen message. If you don't want your friend to know whether you have seen their messages or not, then simply turn off the blue tick. Double tick turns blue when your message is seen and read by your friend whom you sent the message. Please do follow the given steps. Steps 1. Open WhatsApp and go to settings. Steps 2. Go to account. Step 3. Go to privacy. Step 4. In privacy, scroll down and tick the read receipts button. Cheers. Now no one will blame you for seeing the message and not replying them. 4. Pin important conversations. We all have that 1 or 2 people that we text almost constantly on WhatsApp. With so many messages arriving on different chats, the specific contact tends to go invisible on the first page. In order to make sure that a specific chat stays on top, you can pin the chat. Just tap and hold on the contact or group and hit pin icon on the top. As for iPhone users, swipe right on any chat and tap on the pin icon. 5. Hide particular contacts from viewing your story. Stories are a great way of expressing your mood and can be quite personal. If you don't want to share them with all WhatsApp contacts, you can prohibit particular contacts from viewing your status updates or stories as they now stand. Go to WhatsApp settings, account privacy, select status my contacts except. Now select specific contacts you wish to avoid and tap the tick mark below. You can also select the only share with option if you wish to share status updates only with a small number of specific contacts. Thank you for watching the video.